This video will show you how to safely put your child in a forward-facing car seat and into a car. All children must be in a rear-facing car seat until they are 2 years old. It is best to use a new car seat. Do not turn your child's car seat around until the child is 2 years old or reaches the maximum height or weight for the seat being used. Identifying parts of your car seat. This is how a car seat manual looks. This is how a forward-facing car seat looks. This is a label. This is the belt path the belt follows. These are the lower anchor connectors. This is the tether strap. This is the harness strap. This is the harness clip. This is the car seat buckle. This is the harness adjuster strap. This is the recline arm for a convertible seat. These are many different brands of car seats for children that can be used forward-facing. Practice using the car seat with your child. Practice using the car seat with your child before you put the car seat in the car for the first time. Put your child into the seat. Make sure the buckle strap is not twisted. Make sure the harness strap is not twisted. Buckle the buckle strap. Connect both sides of the harness clip. Make sure the harness strap is up and over your child's shoulders. Pull the bottom strap until the harness strap is tight. Move the harness clip so it is at the child's armpit level. Too high. Too low. Test to make sure the harness strap is tight. If you can pinch the harness strap at the child's shoulder, the harness strap is too loose. If the harness straps are below the shoulders, read your manual to fix them or get help. Take your child out of the car seat. Now you are ready to put the car seat in the car. You must use a seat belt or lower anchor connectors and tether strap to put the car seat in the car. Do not use the lower anchor and seat belt together. Your car seat will have a label on it that shows you how to put your car seat into the car. Using a seat belt to put a car seat in the car. Put the car seat in the back seat of your car. Put the tether strap over the back of the seat. Hook your tether anchor strap to the tether anchor located in the vehicle. Thread the seatbelt strap through the belt path in the seat and click into the vehicle's anchor. Buckle the seatbelt. It should make a clicking noise. Make sure the seatbelt lays flat and is not twisted. Pull the seatbelt tightly while feeding it into the retractor to secure the car seat. Push down on the seat. Tighten the tether strap. using lower anchor connectors to put a car seat in the car. Cars have different types of connectors that can be used with the lower anchor connectors on car seats. Look for a lower anchor weight limit on the car seat label. If no weight limit is on the label, then follow the weight limit for the harness. If your child exceeds either of these weight limits, do not use this method. Use the vehicle seatbelt to install. Pull lower anchor connectors out of the car seat. Loosen the straps as needed. Put the tether strap over the back of the seat. Hook your tether anchor strap to the tether anchor located in the vehicle. Connect them to the lower anchors in the car. Pull to secure it tightly. Tighten the tether strap. Your car seat is now in your car with the seatbelt or lower anchor connectors and tether. Put your child in the car seat like you practiced. Read your manual. If you need to tighten the car seat, take the child out of the seat. Your child is now put in the car seat correctly. As your child grows, you will need to make changes to the car seat to keep them safe. Always read your car seat manual and vehicle manual for more information. Need help? Get your car seat checked for free. Learn more